Hello friends, this video is for all those people who really wish to improve their communication skills over the phone. As I told you in my last video that there is a Navy call list which is to be followed while telling or spelling your names over the phone. So the list goes like this: A as in Alpha, B as in Bravo, C as in Charlie, D as in Delta, E as in Echo, F as in Foxtrot, G as in Golf, H as in Hotel, I as in India, J as in Juliet, K as in Kilo, L as in Lima, M as in Mike, N as in November or Nancy, O as in Oscar, P as in Peter, U as in Quebec, R as in Romeo, S as in Sierra, T as in Tango, U as in Uniform, V as in Victor, W as in Whiskey, and X as in X-ray, Y as in Yankee, Z as in Zebra or Zulu. Now how to use this list? First, write down your names with the different spells that you use. For example, my name is Vishnu Bhagwan. In fact, my name is Vishnu Bhagwan and I'm not kidding. So I spell my name like this: V as in Victor, I as in India, S as in Sierra, H as in Hotel, N as in November, U as in Uniform. And the last name is B as in Bravo, H as in Hotel, A as in Alpha, G as in Golf, W as in Whiskey, A as in Alpha, A as in Alpha, and N as in November. So just write down your name on a piece of paper and in front of every letter use the words which are as per the standards of Navy call list, and then spell it like 4 or 5 times a day, and within a week or 10 days you will be familiar with these words and you can use them over the phone to make your communication effective. So stay tuned for such pieces of information and keep on improving your English. Till then, bye-bye.